forgot my laptop bag. Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm leaving Kodaikanal and I'm going to Coimbatore, and you know, I stayed in this beautiful wintergreen cottages which I highly recommend you. Whenever you are coming to Kodaikanal, you can stay in these cottages, and this cottage is in very peaceful area. You will love it. Actually guys, I was planning to hitchhike today, but you know, it's raining. It starts raining anytime, and then you know, it will be very difficult to find any truck or anything to go to Coimbatore. So let's see how it goes. And also Krish is also like, you know, go by bus, it will be very difficult to get transport and all this thing. So I'll try to go by bus, and I'll tell you, I'll keep you updated. So guys, right now I have reached Palani, and from here I'm going to hitchhike to Coimbatore, and I meet someone special on the way, and meet Farook. I was walking from the Palani bus stand. I was coming, you know, on the Coimbatore road, and then someone was like, hello, hello, and I was searching from where this sound is coming, and then he came to me and he asked, are you a traveler? I was like, yes. And you know, he became so happy and now I am also so happy, and it is really nice to meet you. Guys, he is also a traveler, solo traveler. He is a cyclist. He has done Guys, he is a cyclist. He has done India trip, right?
All India trip.
Yeah, he has done all. You can tell.
Yeah, I have done an all India trip in cycling, like for 1 month. Before 1 month, I finished my trip.
Okay.
And also some of hitchhiking from here to Uttarakhand.
Okay.
So that's it.
He's such a sweet guy, guys. I'll, you know, if you want to follow his journey, I'll share his Instagram ID in my video description. Please don't forget to follow him, and you know, yes, follow him and enjoy his journey. It's really nice to meet you. Guys, don't forget to follow Farook on Instagram, okay? I don't promote myself on Instagram, but you know, I really want you to follow his cycle journey, cycle tour on Instagram, okay? So guys, Farook is dropping me to the point from where, you know, I can hitchhike for Coimbatore, and it is so nice to meet him. And guys, you have to follow this young traveler, okay? Don't forget to follow him on Instagram and watch his journey. Once he comes with his YouTube channel, I'll share that also with you all. I'm really glad and very happy to, you know, meet him. Now I'm leaving. Thank you so much. Bye bye. You. Yes, sir. So, bye.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too. I'll be in touch, okay? Okay. Sorry, you know. Yes. Your name? Sam. So guys, I got my first hitchhike of the day with Sam. He's going to drop me till Udumalpet, and from there I'll try to get in some another transport for Coimbatore. Thank you so much for stopping. It's really nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
And guys, I'm really thankful to Farook. He's also a hitchhiker, solo traveler, and cyclist. Dhanushkodi is amazing. And from there, like I went to Kanyakumari, and from Kanyakumari I started hitchhiking.
Okay.
Lift.
From Kanyakumari, which all?
From Kanyakumari, I started coming on top. Then from Kanyakumari to Madurai.
Okay.
Madurai to Dindigal.
Dindigul.
Yeah, from Dindigal
Then
to
Kodaikanal.
Kodaikanal. And
return
now,
to Palani,
yeah,
then,
Palani now, and then going towards Coimbatore.
From Coimbatore, then where you will be traveling?
Salem is my last destination. Yeah, I was
destination.
planning to visit Ooty also, but because of heavy rainfall and
Yeah,
flood
yeah,
and all
yeah.
this thing, no, it's not safe
Landslide
to
is
go
there
there.
and all,
Yeah, so that's why I'm skipping that. So I'll maybe some other time I'll visit Ooty or other Kunnur and all.
I'll search your channel and
Okay,
subscribe.
yes. Thank you. It
Yeah,
really
sure.
means a lot because you all help me,
Yes.
grow my
Yeah,
channel.
Sure, yeah, that's true.
Yes, thank you.
ஹலோ யூடியூப்ல ஒரு லிஸ்ட் கொடுத்தீங்களா உங்க லேப்டாப்ல உங்ககிட்ட மாட்டிக்கிட்டோம்ல ஆமாமா அதுதான் நான் இங்கதான்
இல்ல
இருக்கேன்
பழனியில நான்
உடுமலையில வந்து
இல்ல அவர் பழனியில தான் இருக்காரு.
என்ன
அவர் பழனியில
சொல்லிட்டேன்
இல்ல ஒண்ணு இல்ல
உடுமலையில அவங்கள
இல்ல அவங்க பழனியில அவங்க கிட்ட பேக் கொடுத்துருங்க, நான் வாங்கிக்கிறேன்.
இல்ல நான் இப்ப உடுமலை வந்து அவங்க கிட்ட கொடுத்துருப்பேன். நீங்க உடுமலையில மட்டும் டிராப் பண்ணிருங்க உங்களை. நான் பழனியில இருக்கேன்.
So guys, I forgot my laptop bag and it is with Farook. And now he's coming to Udumalpet and then he's going to give my bag back. Oh my god, and that is my laptop bag. I have everything in that bag. Oh. Suddenly I was like, something is missing, and then I'm like, where is my laptop bag? Then Sam is like, you came inside with only one bag. I'm like, no, I have two bags. Oh. Thank God my bag is in safe hand. So guys, Sam dropped me in Udumalpet and now I'm inside Everest juice shop, which is opposite Chennai Mobile Market, and I'm waiting for Farook, to get my bag back. I don't even know how come I forgot about my bag. My brain is not working. So guys, whenever you are in Udumalpet, don't forget to stop at Everest juice shop and drink juice from here. So he's the owner of this shop. So guys, here is Farook and finally I got my bag back. If you can see. Yeah, here is my bag. And so happy this bag has my everything, my laptop and all gadgets. And I think God also wanted us to meet again. So thank you so much, it's really nice to meet
my
you.
fault, okay. First it's
Oh
my fault.
no, it's okay. And Anna, thank you so much for your drinks. Those are amazing. Guys, I'll put Anna's shop name in my description. So whenever you are going towards, Coimbatore or like visiting
The
this.
best roasted shop
Okay.
in, all over the world. Even I
Yes.
can tell. Because
See.
I will drink at least, when I visit here, I will at least drink for 100 rupees.
Oh.
But whenever I visit here,
So guys, whenever you are passing by through this shop, you
Everest.
should, Everest Ice Factory. I'll put, it's not visible, but I'll put this address in my video description. You should check it out. Don't forget to, try his rose. What is that? Rose drink, no?
rose milk,
Yes, rose milk and
mango juice.
juice. Don't forget to miss out.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, I got my bag and now I'm leaving. Bye. And I'll put his,
Shop.
yeah, juice shop details in my video description. So don't forget to, check it out. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Na yeti utara.
So guys, again Farook is going to help me with with hitchhiking. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, finally I got my direct lift for Coimbatore. Your name, Anna?
Surya.
Surya. So, I'm going with Surya Anna to Coimbatore. Thank you so much, Anna. So guys, finally I'm on my way to Coimbatore and it was really amazing to meet Farook. I think, you know, it was in destiny, that's why I planned to hitchhike from Palani. I was supposed to meet him today. Wow, that's so great. First time I'm meeting, the real kind of traveler. I see his passion for traveling. He's so passionate about traveling and I can see his passion. Amazing. He's such an amazing soul. Guys, don't forget to follow his journey on Instagram. Look at the windmill, guys. So guys, Surya's another He's saying no. You know guys, Tamil Nadu people are so amazing. They are so nice. They are always ready to help. So guys, now we have stopped for a tea break. From here, Coimbatore is only 25 kilometers away. So guys, we are done with tea break now. And Surya Anna didn't let me pay. I wanted to pay, but he didn't let me. People are so kind over here. They're so nice. So guys, we are going now. Only more 25 kilometers left. And in Tamil Nadu, truck drivers are amazing. The solo ones. Guys, I don't encourage hitchhiking to others. I am hitchhiking because I have got experience now. So if you want to hitchhike, please do it at your own risk. Don't get encouraged by me. Because while you hitchhiking, you have to set your own ground rules. I don't travel after 5 p.m. You set your own ground rules and start doing what you want to. This only I wanted to share with you all. So guys, brother dropped me here and from here I have to call my host and thank you so much. Thank you very much. So guys, from the place where Surya Anna dropped me, I walked for 3 to 4 kilometers and now I'm going with Sudan Anna for 4 kilometers, no?
3 kilometers.
For 3 kilometers to reach my host house, and he came back for me. It is so nice of you. Thank you, Anna. And it is so nice to here people are so nice. And I have to walk for half an kilometer or like 1 kilometer to reach my host house. And look at the Coimbatore traffic, guys. Finally, I have reached my host house. And he is Sai Prasad and his mom. And I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much. And I'm going to end my today's vlog over here. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.